gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. The people who are watching right now in my YouTube. This is the T-Man from the island of what we call the Spaniards came here. The stupid Spaniards, they think when they ride their galleon, they think they saw a tree. They think that it's a pine tree. But no, it's not. It's a coconut tree. That stupid King Philip. That's why this island called the Philippines. Philippines. Philippines, you morons. Stupid Spaniard. Now, I would like you to introduce to you to my Illumin who are willing to willing to introduce also themselves. Okay? Hey man, come on. Let's see what you got there. Okay? Revolution. Revolution. Hello. My name is T. Bin Ladini. T. Bin Ladini. I'll tell you where I come from. Okay? I will tell you where I come from, my friend. I came from a land of a far away place where the camels, the goats, and a rattlesnake come to our land. We have a very beautiful golf course for professional golfers. Come to our land. We will play golf in the desert. Just tell me where I want, and I tell you where you want. You want to play golf with me? I'll be there in the desert. Just take my hand and be my lady. I'll give you more oil. Oil, you moron. Revolution. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. All righty then. All righty then. Oh, good afternoon, people of the world. I'm T. Enigma. Enigma. Enigmata. Muta! Can't you, leader? Virtual insanity it always leave you. Hey, I'm the Jamorak. Yeah. Not Jamorak wine. The what Jamu. Thank you, Peter. Virtual insanity it always bring you. I love that song very much. Virtual insanity. Okay, that's all my people, people of the world watching right now. I hope you are enjoying the show, my show on my tube. Your man is still on a one love revolution, and this crazy Spaniards think that this island and tree called the coconut, they think it's a pine tree. That's why Lapu-Lapu beheaded. Take the head of Magellan beheaded because of that thing. because of the pine tree between the pine tree and the coconut tree. So far so good right now. I'll just leave you part of a quote from me, and be happy always, okay? And this is my word for you who are watching right now. The wisdom of a fool can set you free. Hey, Majamala, the one love you, but Mali on the house. Hey, Papa, yeah, so long. Next time, I love you all. Right!